Explore the 20 remarkable benefits of castor oil that can bring lasting changes to your body. This claim isn't just for attention. Castor oil can genuinely improve your health in surprising ways by tackling stubborn health issues. Whether you're looking to ease joint pain, enhance sleep quality, or relieve constipation, the wide-ranging and significant benefits of this oil are truly impressive. Uncovering these advantages took considerable effort, including thorough testing, in-depth research, and consultations with health professionals. Are you ready to reconsider what you know about natural remedies? Let's dive in. Benefit number 1: alleviating joint pain. If joint pain is a concern, castor oil might be your answer, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Start by gently heating a small amount of castor oil until it's warm but comfortable. Apply the oil to your joints using circular motions to stimulate blood flow and help the oil penetrate more effectively, enhancing its benefits. For extra relief, cover the area with a soft cloth and apply a heating pad or hot water bottle for around 20 minutes. This blend of warmth and castor oil can significantly reduce pain and inflammation, making movement easier. These castor oil treatments are tried and trusted. Keep watching, and you'll be amazed by what this oil can do. Benefit number 2: supporting digestion. Castor oil can aid digestion and is particularly helpful for those dealing with constipation. To use it as a natural laxative, mix a teaspoon of castor oil with a glass of your favorite juice to mask its slightly bitter taste. It's most effective when taken on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Castor oil stimulates the intestines, helping to move stool smoothly through the digestive system. However, because of its strength, it should be used with caution to avoid dependency or disrupting your body's natural digestion. Benefit number 3: promoting relaxation and better sleep. Castor oil is also excellent for promoting relaxation and improving sleep due to its calming properties. To create a soothing bedtime routine, gently massage a small amount of warm castor oil onto your temples, neck, and shoulders to relieve tension and encourage relaxation. Additionally, applying castor oil to the soles of your feet before bed can enhance these effects. The fatty acids in the oil are thought to be absorbed through the skin, aiding relaxation and making it easier to fall asleep. Wearing socks after applying the oil helps to keep it on your skin and improve absorption. Make sure to choose a high-quality castor oil for the best results. I'll recommend a specific type below, but any alternative should meet these high standards. Benefit number 4: healing cracked heels. Castor oil is fantastic for treating dry, cracked heels because of its intense moisturizing properties and its ability to penetrate deeply into the thicker skin of the feet. To use castor oil on your heels effectively, start by thoroughly washing your feet and possibly soaking them in warm water for about 10 minutes to soften the skin. After drying your feet completely, apply a generous amount of castor oil to your heels and massage it in well. The best time to do this is before bed. Put on cotton socks to lock in the moisture. This practice not only keeps your bed linens clean, but also maximizes the absorption of the oil into your skin. With regular nightly use, castor oil can make your heels significantly softer and gradually heal the cracks. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button to support our channel. Benefit number 5: minimizing wrinkles. Castor oil is an excellent option for reducing wrinkles due to its fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, which deeply hydrates and encourages the production of collagen and elastin, both essential for youthful elastic skin. To use, start with a clean face and dab a small amount of castor oil on areas prone to wrinkles, such as around the eyes, forehead, and mouth. Massage it in with gentle upward circular motions to boost circulation and help the oil absorb. Applying it before bed allows it to work overnight. Regular use can noticeably reduce fine lines and give your skin a smoother, more youthful look. Benefit number 6: hydrating dry lips. Castor oil is a powerful remedy for dry, chapped lips because of its fatty acids and moisturizing properties. It not only hydrates the lips but also creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture for lasting relief. For best results, apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips with your fingertip or a cotton swab before bed and let it work overnight. Frequent application will soften your lips and prevent further cracking. Additionally, a thin layer of castor oil can protect your lips from the drying effects of cold weather and wind when you're outside. Benefit number 7. Soothing sunburn. Castor oil is highly effective in treating sunburn because of its anti-inflammatory properties, which reduce pain and swelling. It also moisturizes and supports the healing process, helping to prevent skin peeling after a sunburn. To soothe sunburn, apply a thin layer of castor oil to the affected area. For deeper treatment, soak a soft cloth in castor oil and place it on the sunburned skin as a compress, leaving it on for 20 to 30 minutes to enhance absorption. Cooling the oil before applying it can provide additional soothing relief. Use this treatment daily until the sunburn heals. Regular application of castor oil after sun exposure can speed up healing, reduce discomfort, and restore moisture to sun-damaged skin. Benefit number 8. Reducing stretch marks. Castor oil is effective in reducing the appearance of stretch marks, which often occur during pregnancy, after significant weight changes, or during rapid growth phases. Its deep penetration improves skin elasticity by moisturizing and promoting collagen and elastin production. To reduce stretch marks, massage a generous amount of castor oil into the affected areas in circular motions to enhance both absorption and circulation, supporting skin cell regeneration. Apply the oil at night before bed for the best results. Over time, this can lead to a noticeable reduction in stretch marks, leaving your skin smoother and more even-toned. Benefit number 9. Easing constipation. Castor oil acts as a potent natural laxative because of its ricinoleic acid content, which stimulates the intestines and eases bowel movements, effectively cleansing the digestive system. To relieve constipation, take 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil on an empty stomach in the morning. You can mix the oil with a drink to improve the taste. However, use it with caution as prolonged use can lead to dependency or disrupt natural bowel functions. Consult a doctor before starting any new treatment, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Benefit number 10. Encouraging hair growth. Known for its benefits to hair health, castor oil nourishes and moisturizes, making it an excellent treatment for thinning hair and hair loss. To encourage hair growth, warm a small amount of oil and massage it into your scalp to stimulate circulation and nutrient delivery. For maximum benefits, leave the oil in your hair overnight, covered with a shower cap to enhance absorption. Regular use can strengthen hair roots, promote growth, and improve hair texture. Remember to thoroughly wash your hair the next morning to remove the oil. Benefit number 11. Deep cleansing for the face. Castor oil serves as a natural deep cleanser for the skin, effectively removing dirt, bacteria, and excess oil that often lead to acne and blemishes. Despite its thick texture, castor oil cleanses without clogging pores due to its unique fatty acid composition. To cleanse your face with oil, warm a small amount in your hands and massage it in circular motions into your face for about 2 minutes to dissolve impurities. Then, place a hot, damp cloth over your face to open the pores and allow the oil to penetrate more deeply. After a few minutes, gently wipe off the oil with the cloth and rinse your face with cold water to close the pores, leaving your skin smooth, hydrated, and refreshed. Benefit number 12. Boosting immune function. Castor oil is known to enhance immune function by increasing the production of lymphocytes, the important white blood cells of the immune system. To utilize castor oil for this benefit, soak a soft cloth in castor oil, wring it out, and place it on your abdomen. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent stains, and then apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top to help the oil penetrate more deeply. Leave the pack on for about an hour, repeating this process 2 to 3 times a week to improve lymph circulation and detoxification, thereby strengthening your immune system. Benefit number 13. Combating insomnia. Castor oil can be helpful in easing insomnia due to its calming effects. To promote better sleep, warm some castor oil in your hands and massage it onto your forehead, temples and neck before bed. Applying a small amount to your eyelids, without getting it in your eyes, can also encourage deeper, more restful sleep. This soothing application helps to reduce tension, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Benefit number 14. Enhancing eyelash and eyebrow growth. Castor oil is beneficial for growing thicker and fuller eyelashes and eyebrows, thanks to its rich content of fatty acids, vitamin E, and other nutrients that nourish hair follicles. Ensure your face is clean and free of makeup, then apply a small amount of castor oil with a clean mascara brush or cotton swab to your eyebrows and along your lash line before bed. Be careful to avoid contact with your eyes. With consistent use, you can expect to see thicker and fuller lashes and brows in several weeks. Benefit number 15. Fighting fungal infections. Castor oil is known for its antifungal properties, making it an effective treatment for fungal issues like athlete's foot, ringworm, and nail fungus. This effectiveness is largely due to the undecylenic acid found in castor oil, which inhibits fungal growth. To treat fungal infections, make sure the affected area is clean and dry before application. Use a cotton swab or clean fingers to apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the affected skin or nails. It's important to apply the oil regularly, ideally twice a day, until the infection clears up. Covering the treated area with a bandage can increase effectiveness by prolonging contact with the skin. Regular use can eliminate the infection and prevent its spread. Benefit number 16. Treating ringworm. Thanks to its strong antifungal properties, castor oil is also a natural choice for treating ringworm. It contains undecylenic acid, which effectively combats the fungi responsible for ringworm. Start by cleaning the affected area with mild soap and water to remove irritants, and then dry it with a clean towel. Apply a thin layer of castor oil with a cotton swab or cotton ball to the ringworm and cover it with a breathable bandage to maintain contact. Repeat this treatment twice daily to clear up the infection within a few weeks and reduce the associated itching and inflammation. Benefit number 17. Moisturizing the skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer due to its high ricinoleic acid content, making it a great option for skincare. It locks in moisture and leaves the skin feeling soft and hydrated. Start by cleansing your skin to remove any impurities. Then apply castor oil directly to dry areas, massaging it in with gentle circular motions. The oil creates a barrier that prevents moisture loss, keeping your skin hydrated and plump. For best results, use castor oil at night, allowing it to deeply penetrate while you sleep. Regular use improves skin texture and elasticity, resulting in a smoother, more supple appearance. Benefit number 18. Reducing acne. The antibacterial properties of castor oil make it a powerful solution for acne by targeting the bacteria that cause skin infections and blemishes. Its anti-inflammatory effects also help to reduce swelling and redness. To use castor oil for acne, start by cleaning your face to remove dirt and makeup. Apply a thin layer of oil to the affected areas, either with a clean finger or a cotton swab, and leave it on overnight. Wash it off in the morning with warm water. Begin with a small amount to see how your skin reacts, as castor oil is quite rich and may be too intense for very oily skin types. Regular use can lead to clearer skin with fewer breakouts. Benefit number 19. Easing dry eyes. Castor oil can alleviate dry eye symptoms thanks to its lubricating and anti-inflammatory properties. To treat dry eyes, use pure, hexane-free cold-pressed castor oil. Before bed, Apply 1 drop in each eye with a clean dropper, taking care not to let the dropper touch your eye or any other surfaces to avoid contamination. The oil forms a protective film over the eye, soothing irritation and promoting healing overnight. It is advisable to consult an eye doctor before starting treatment with castor oil to ensure it's suitable for your condition. Benefit number 20, relieving menstrual cramps. Castor oil is an effective remedy for relieving menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It helps by relaxing muscles and reducing inflammation in the pelvic area. To apply it, make a castor oil pack by soaking a clean cloth in castor oil, wringing out the excess, and placing it on your lower abdomen. Cover it with plastic wrap to avoid stains, and then place a heating pad or hot water bottle on top for additional warmth. This method allows the oil and heat to penetrate deeply into the skin, easing cramps and reducing pain. Leave the pack on for 30 to 60 minutes. For best results, start this treatment a few days before your period and continue as needed throughout your cycle. Regular use of castor oil packs can greatly reduce pain and improve overall menstrual health. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has opened your horizons. See you in the next video on human health. Take care.